Equidox, PDF Accessibility Solutions.
PDF Remediation Workflow.
Stock footage shows people working on documents in an office.
There's no single right way to remediate a PDF. Different tools, document types, and accessibility goals can all shape how the process unfolds. However, having a clear, repeatable workflow can make the task more manageable and help ensure consistent, accessible results. These steps offer one approach to PDF remediation that balances efficiency with thoroughness. Whether you're new to remediation or refining your process, this workflow can serve as a helpful guide to getting it done right.
For a 2-page spread of a book, each title, header, and paragraph are individual zones.
Tag all text zones. Mark repetitive elements like headers and footers as artifacts so they're ignored by assistive technology, just as a sighted reader would naturally skip over them. Next, apply heading levels. Assign all heading tags in one pass to avoid skipping levels or incorrect nesting. A PDF should have only one heading level 1. Add alternative text. Write meaningful alt text for essential images and artifact any decorative or unnecessary ones that do not add meaning to the document. Tag all lists. Ensure each list item is properly mapped to its parent and that bullets or numbers are correctly tagged. Tag all tables. Tag each cell and all the row and column headers. Span merged cells as needed, and provide a table summary with basic structure details like the number of rows, columns, and any merged cells. Check all links. Make sure they are live and lead to the correct URLs. Correct the reading order. Review and adjust the reading order on every page. Not all content should follow a simple left to right, top to bottom flow. Validate the file. Use both automated checkers and screen readers to ensure accessibility. Keep in mind, automated tools can't verify alt text accuracy or reading order. This is just one example of an efficient workflow for PDF remediation. Your team might discover different approaches to suit your needs. Experiment and find what works best. To view more PDF accessibility videos, subscribe to our channel. For more information on how Equidox can make PDF accessibility easy, visit our website at www.equidox.co.
Equidox, PDF Accessibility Solutions.